This set comes with everything you need for your own brow spa day. First up, we have this very soft golden silk sleep mask. To get our natural brows in shape, we have our golden scissors and golden tweezers. Also included is the best-selling Bombshell Brow Serum to give your brows and lashes extra growth. Then, when you're ready to get your brows in shape, we have the microblade pen, the Bombshell Brow Gel, and the Brow Lift. Brow Bar by Rima has everything you need to relax and enjoy your special day.